Welcome to our guide on house facade remodeling. Are you planning to give your house a new look? Today, we'll discuss common mistakes to avoid for a successful remodeling project. Mistake 1: choosing the wrong materials. The right materials are crucial for durability and aesthetics. Invest in quality materials that complement your house's style and withstand weather conditions. Mistake 2: ignoring your house's architectural style. A mismatch can ruin your house's overall look. Ensure your remodeling plan respects the original architectural style for a harmonious look. Mistake 3: neglecting proper maintenance. A well-maintained facade enhances your house's value. Regular upkeep will keep your facade looking fresh and prevent costly repairs. Mistake 4: poor color choice. The right color can dramatically enhance your house's curb appeal. Choose a color that complements your house's style and the surrounding environment. Mistake 5: overlooking landscaping. A well-designed landscape can enhance your facade's appeal. Integrate landscaping elements with your house facade for a harmonious look. In conclusion, avoid these mistakes for a successful house facade remodeling. Remember, a well-planned remodeling can transform your house into your dream home.